Okay, so I would like to share my experience with you. I use the 3 scanner today for the first time, and I would like to show you the result I got from the scanner. Uh, well, should I start from the beginning? Well, I'll start from the beginning. I'll start from the early beginning. When I get to start with the studio itself and show you how did I join the two parts together as one. Ah, why can't I find this thing? Sorry for that. Okay, well, my things open. Oh yeah. So the Vivo Studio, I will make the same part that I made this afternoon, and it's taking its time. Sorry for that. Okay, now so I get to import the file, and I think that the first one was on the first one. Uh, I miscounted things because I think that was the latest one. Just play. Okay, so this one was one side. As you can see here, that I just scanned the hip brought available on the table of the CMM machine. Okay, and now I'm going to import another part for it. So we go for the alignment, add a file, and we're going to look for the other part, which is meant to be the lower one. No, not this one. I think I just need to check the size of the other one. Ah, doesn't. So that's the only one we have. Okay, so again to add open this one as well. It's going to show me that on the other side. So obviously this will be the other side of the part I scanned. And again, anything just features, and it's going to be linked to each other, apply, do the work, done. Now we have it as 3D part. Now you can see that both sides has been joined. Now you say, okay, now what are these black holes? Now we have black holes. So we need to remove that. So we go to mesh and we can fill holes, still working. So we go to edit, no point, yeah, do meshing. Standard, yes. Fill holes at the same time, yes. Maybe I get to take it a little bit lower to good. I don't need to do advanced. Play with that, will apply. Take it its time. Take a look here. It's going to disappear next. Hopefully. Okay, and second time because I know I increased that to good. You can leave it as standard one. It's doing the counting now. I know this will be too much. So this question. Sorry for that. Next time, just for you, just leave it as standard. Okay, now, yeah, the part now is solid. You can see that the part now became solid. All actually is empty inside, but anyway, I closed all the holes, and now I have the part ready to be exported. Now the next step is just export that, click here, and I'm going to do export, and I'm going to save it in the that's point drive UTS, and I'm going to go my folder which called the scanned, double click on that, and I'm going to save it as all called HIP2. Okay, so HIP2 SCL file, and I can't hit A because I tried that too. Hit A, and it's going to be saved. Now exported successfully. Now we go to the SolidWorks, and I'm going to call this file. So we do open. That's the file I'm looking at. We're looking at the HIP A is not available here. Go to all files. Click here for the mesh file, this one. And click on options. Use the solid body. You can create the mesh bodies bounded by single faces. I'm going to clear this one now. I'm going to leave it just on the solid body, and I can click OK, open that file. It may take some time. Oh, that's not hit A. Oh, I think it's still uploading thing. But anyway, I will cancel this import again to wait for the other file to be uploaded. Just let me check where this file is. So we'll go to my OneDrive. I'll go to the scanned. Okay, so if A is available now. Okay, it's SCL file now. I'll try to do it once again. So open, and now the HIP A is available now. So we'll go with the mesh SCL. HIP A is now available option. Yeah, actually, last time I did that. Okay, and I know it's going to take some time until it's going to be done, but at the end, it's going to be done. Okay, so present file, take time, yeah, it can take time. Don't worry about that. Mm, sorry, still uploading. Yeah, now it's coming. Now you will see instead of having the graphic here, it should be imported part. Okay, taking its time. I'm not going to pause that. Let's make it a long video. Don't worry about it. Okay, come on, come on, come on. I'm not going to pause the video. It's a challenge between me and the computer. Yeah, it's coming now. Should be coming now. Okay, now that's the part. It's imported at two parts. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, now that's what we got. This is my part. You can see that actually is still mesh. If I can get close to it, and I will change it to a SolidWorks part. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it as a SolidWorks part, and I'm going to save it now here, and so it's going to become a SolidWorks part. Okay, now still the shape is, as you can see, mesh. If I would like to change the view, click here, click. Okay, now it's not meshed anymore. I know that's tricky because we just did that for the face, but it's not the internal thing. And if you can look at closer, that's what we're going to see for the shape. Remember that this part actually was containing too many curvatures, and that's what we got. Now, after we got that, we need to make the engineering drawing out of it. So we click here, make engineering drawing of that. Give this, yeah, say OK. Again, to make the draw, say OK. And then again to simply choose the views I'm going to like to have in my engineering drawings, and I can start adding uh, the dimensions to it. So I will choose the front on the front, and floating. Yeah, I can see that we have the engineering drawing here. Again, to bring the other one still floating. Okay, now this is a side view. Yeah, okay, and we're going to go for the other view. Come on. Well, it's two sides. Okay, now we have the engineering drawing, so again, we can add a dimension, for example, by using the smart dimension. I hope it's going to work. I haven't tried that before with such shape because actually we don't have points in this one. Um, but in all the cases, let me try to click 2 points and try to find the distance. No, it's not working. But I hope it's going to work actually with engineering parts when we get to the circles or the sub, because this one obviously Asset going view contains no model geometry. Okay, okay. The other engineering drawings should have more details that can be used to make the dimension of them. Okay. I hope this will work. I hope this will work. Now that I'm selected horizontal dimension, also vertical dimension. Anyway, we got the engineering drawings down now, and just something like that. Okay, so we'll continue trying that until we get to find the final results. But actually, for myself, I'm really satisfied with the quality uh, of the scan I had for the first time. Still nice, still nice, yeah. Okay, well, this was my actual first uh, scanning I done with this machine.